Hi, my name is Luke Soderlock and I'm a medical microbiology student. Today I'm going to teach y'all how to play Pathogen 9-Ball, which is a fun and educational game I came up with where you can enjoy playing pool while also learning more about different pathogens. So let's get started. Each time you make a shot in the game, you then have to answer a question on a different fact or different principle of the pathogen. And today's pathogen we're going to be doing is rabies.
What is the pathogenesis of rabies?
Rabies is primarily transmitted through saliva of infected animals by bites, and it enters through the wound area and then travels along the peripheral nerves to the spinal cord and the brain. And during the incubation period, which could be from weeks to months, there are no symptoms shown.
Name a fact about rabies.
Rabies is part of the Rhabdoviridae family.
How is rabies diagnosed?
Rabies in animals is diagnosed by direct fluorescent antibody test. In humans, it requires multiple tests, and they must be done rapidly after an incident to ensure that a timely administration of post-exposure prophylaxis is done. If you run across a point in the game where you make a shot and you don't know an answer to a question or a fact to give, simply use your phone, Google something, and have something to say. It's not really cheating because the whole point of the game is to get more education about the pathogen. So actually by finding out more knowledge than you actually know, you're learning along the way.
Tell me another fact about rabies.
Let me see. Let's see. Oh, good one. In humans, symptoms include fever, headache, and anxiety. But as the disease progresses, patients may experience delirium, abnormal behavior, aggression, and even hydrophobia, which is fear of water. If you miss a shot, then of course it becomes your opponent's turn. Then they get a chance to make the shot and then answer a question to move forward. Name a fact about rabies.
Okay, let me Google it real quick. It primarily infects dogs, rodents, humans, and other mammals. What disease does it cause?
The disease itself is rabies, which causes significant brain damage. And in humans, once symptoms kind of set in, it's almost always fatal.
Tell me another fact about rabies.
Rabies comes in enveloped particles with a bullet-shaped helical capsid.
What is one more fact about the pathogen?
There is a vaccine available.
What are the treatment options?
Post-exposure prophylaxis is crucial to prevent the virus from taking hold. Otherwise, once the infection is established, there is no effective cure, and it usually leads to death. I hope you have enjoyed this game of Pathogen 9-Ball. The good thing about it is that you can play it with any different pathogen. You can learn any new facts. You can play the same game. You can play it with friends. You can get them more knowledge on the subject while you gain more knowledge on the subject, and at the same time having a lot of fun. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope you try it on your own, and yeah, thanks for watching.